Hi events team, welcome back. We're going to talk about coffee stations and hard sets today. I'm going to start with the term hard set. It refers to pretty much all the equipment that's going to be set out. You can set it up in advance, everything but the product, so that you can set everything and have it ready to go, and then you walk in the next day and then you just have to do the product. It makes it really easy, especially if you have early morning events and they want coffee stations set by 7, 7:30 or 8. You can do the hard set the night before, and it makes it so much better and nicer and easier the day of, because things always pop up to take your time. So coffee station here, the hard set would be everything pretty much that you see here, minus these two urns and this one here. We would do the bases, but the urns would be by the coffee station, so in the morning we would just brew the coffee in them and just carry them out and drop them in, and we'd be good to go. But a full coffee station, you're gonna start with coffee cups and saucers. So a guest can grab a coffee cup and a saucer. Then they're gonna come, we have decaf and regular coffee. Decaf is on the left, regular right, regular right. We have our drip cans here, we have our signage designating which is which. So they can come, they can grab their coffee. Hot water, we usually just use an air pot. Usually we're not doing too much tea. Hot tea, it's mostly coffee, so we can do a smaller air pot. Plus I don't want the coffee flavor from the urns get into the water, so we do the air pot with just water. We've got some beverage napkins here, so they can have some napkins. We also like to do a little space on the table for them to be able to set their cup, so that they can set it down, do sugars, add cream, do whatever. We have spoons here so they can stir and prepare their coffee. Tea bags for the hot water. Sometimes you need a bigger bowl. We just did a small one for demonstration, but you can use a bigger one. Sometimes a tea box. If we have a tea box available, you can put out, makes a nice presentation there. These two smaller carafes are for cream, like half and half. We could do almond milk, soy milk, something like that. We just have to make sure we have it properly labeled so guests know which is which. Usually we'll just do half and half unless specifically requested. We have a bowl of sugars here, and then we have a garbage pail here, so that we always bait it with one, so that they know that that's where they can put their used garbage. And then the teaspoons, when they do this, they can put their used teaspoons over here as kind of a discard tray. So they've got the full coffee station here, pretty much everything you need to have a nice cup of coffee and get everything at the end of the night. So please take a good look at this, refer back to this video if you ever need to set a coffee station so you know what to set and how to set it and make it look nice. Thank you very much.